Good morning! Breakfast tayo guys. Nandito kami sa hotel namin, free breakfast. Then, punta na kami sa aming island hopping. Ito yung everyday view namin pag lumalabas kami or nakadungaw kami doon sa terrace ng aming hotel. At nandito na kami sa town ng El Nido kung saan naka-locate yung mga boat activity papunta sa mga island hopping.
Aray ko, ang daming ano sa Kuya, paabot po. Thank you po. Ano ko? Academic ouchie. Church. Ha? Ako naman dyan, ikaw naman. Thank you so much.
You introduce your name and your country, where you're from, and what's your name, okay? Just want to start here. Ma'am, what's your name?
Irene, I came from Manila.
From Manila! What's your name, beautiful lady?
I'm Del, from Paranaque.
Ano?
Paranaque.
Ang pangalan?
Del.
From Paranaque, Philippines!
Yay!
Yeah, from Cebu, Philippines!
Woo!
Everywhere from Cebu, Philippines again! Jenny from Dublin. Joel from Dublin. John from Portugal. Joshua from Hong Kong. Was from Hong Kong. Rafael from America. Well, from America again. Nicole from Poland. Jennifer from Ireland. Jordan from Ireland. Joseph from Ireland again. Just from Tarlac, Philippines.
Tarlac. Nag-islang din.
Marwell from Tarlac, Philippines again. What's your name?
Nikita from Russia.
Sorry?
Nikita from Russia.
Nikita from Russia. What's your name? Irina from Russia. Okay, now everyone, I thank you. You're all coming here. You book to vlog this travel and tours and all that look. But you wanna giving thank you for your travel safe for coming a little. You wanna giving mini clap on yourself. Everyone, before that, I introduce my name, our tour guide today. Don't forget my name in our tour guide. I'm John. Just call me John.
Kadlaw Lagoon.
O Green Lagoon kasi kulay ng tubig sa loob ay kulay green.
Wow.
It's a good for background, good for swimming.
Kadlaw Lagoon.
Hi guys, day 2 na ng tour namin, Tour Sito. Ayan, super ganda ng rock formation. Super sulit na sulit yung bayan. Tingnan nyo naman yung dagat. Sobrang ganda. Wow na wow. Mapapawaw ka talaga sa ganda. Kaya pala po. Thank you kuya sa pag-picture ng magandang shots. Thank you. Yan, thank you. Anong pangalan mo kuya?
Tompo.
Ayan. Pag pumunta po kayo dito sa El Nido, hanapin niyo si... Hindi, pag nagpabook pala kayo sa Kluk. Kluk kasi kami. Oo. Sa Kluk lang talaga kayo. Ganda dito. Tsaka ang babait pa ng mga tour guide.
Hey sir, makalis?
Nantayin namin kayo. Sundan namin kayo.
Mga kasama namin. Nandun yung bangka namin. Grabing linaw ng tubig.
Roger. Yo. Helicopter.
Ito na yung Helicopter Island.
Pag sa malayo ka, yung ship ng island para sa helicopter. Ang tinawag ng helicopter island. Marami niya, marami niya. Okay. Swimming, picture taking of Victoria. If you like snorkeling, sir, ma'am, you just want to take snorkeling around here. You can see we have a limit, right? Inside only is snorkeling. Don't go out from part of the line. Only inside around slides for snorkeling. We have given 40 minutes here. And who are not good swimmer, who are not good swim? Now we swim.
Dalawang isda eh. Walang isda. Walang isda dito guys.
Tayo na ni Ate Delphia. Yan yung bangka namin.
Ayoko na kuya. Tawa na. Nangangawit na ako. Wait lang.
We're done with the Helicopter Island. Tingnan nyo guys, sa gitna. Oh no. Magandang nakakatakot. Parang Godzilla, no? Oh no! Ha? Katakot yan. Nasa tuktok talaga siya.
Martin looks fine. Now, it's a good 14-hour lunch here, but it's a good piece.
Yehey, hindi na kailangan lumangoy.
Okay, natuwa siya. Hindi na lalangoy.
Hindi na lalangoy.
Yung next stop natin, languyan na naman.
₱200 yung entrance dito, guys. Church siya. Grabe, may nakatira pa pala dito sa island na ganito. At kilala niya si Marcos. Ay! Divine Governance was launched at Mexico, Pampanga in April 2022. Siya nga nagpaano. Napakaganda. Ayun, galing. Yes! Ang sakit sa tuhod. Bumangga yung tuhod ko. Ito na pala yung hidden. Ay, salamat. Nakarating din. Hala, kaya pala kailangan ng sapatos. Sakit. Yay! Galing kami dyan, guys. Ayan, oh. Wala pa si Ate Delia. Si Ate Delia.